Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, I got this right here. This is the GaN Charger Self-Extending Line Type C. This is an 80-watt charger. And right now, it goes for about $18, and I think like 49 cents. But I'll make sure I get you the right price for this, okay, guys? This is an 80-watt charger. Now, you might be saying, why did you get this? Because my wife needed a decent charger to take to work. Well, cheap charger to take to work. So if anybody kind of purloins it or steals it, we can get another one. So 80 watt, about $18 when I paid for it. I'm good with that. All right. So I was like, no, let me go ahead and get it. But something, it's not quite heavy for 80-watt charger. Quite heavy. So I wonder if it's really 80 watts. 80 watts, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and give you a couple of the details real quick. So we get the details. This is an 80-watt GaN fast charging with retractable USB-C 3-in-1 wall charger block with built-in Type-C cord, and a Type 2 USB port, PD 3.0 and QC 4.0. Fast charging for iPhone, Samsung, Pixel, iPhone 15, 16, and 17. All right, guys. And right now, these are, well, the yellow one is on sale for $18.99. The white and green one are on sale for $19.99. Well, that's, no, not on sale. That's the normal price. Sorry, guys. Normal price is $18 for the yellow and $19.99 for the white and green. All right, guys. So without further ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Hey, guys, before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Eagle Eye View, guys. This is how it came from Amazon. So this is how it looks. I forgot what color we got. I think we got the green one. I don't know. So this is how it looks, guys. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. All right, so we don't got nothing in there at all. And we have nothing. So, guys, just let you know, we have nothing in there. That's how it came. And this is how it looks, okay, guys? You see it says 80 watts right there, 80 watts. All right, so this is how it looks. Now, this is not that heavy, guys, at all. For being 80 watts, it's not that heavy. It's not that big either. So you can see that how that comes out. Then you have this and you have that. And we're going to test it all out. I want to show you the size of how other chargers look. About comparable. Okay, guys? All right, guys, this is how other chargers, they're going to be kind of comparable. All right, guys, you have the Anchor right here. This is a 40-watt charger. Feels solid. Anchor does make some pretty good products. But you look at this one, this feels kind of cheap, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you. Now for $18, you can't, but if it's 80 watts, I think the build quality should be a little bit better. That's just me. Maybe I'm wrong. And you have 100-watt. And you right here, this is my workhorse. I love this thing. I like this company. And this is heavy, guys. It's 100 watts. So it's only 20-watt difference. But if you can see, this one weighs a lot more. Better made, most likely. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to go ahead. We're going to go give it some weight, weigh it for you. We're going to go ahead and weigh it so you can see the difference in weight. And then we're going to, from there, let's see if it can charge up things at 80 watts. All right, guys? All right, guys, let's see, how much it weighs. We got the Anchor. Anchor's going to run you 104 grams. All right? So 104 grams on that. We have for the 100-watt, 208 grams. All right? And we have the 80-watt, and you're looking at 90 grams, guys. So I'm not going to say cheaper isn't better, but the build quality might not be there, because I believe it should weigh a little bit more. Now, I could be wrong. Technology is advancing, so I could be wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong. All right, you let me know. All right, guys, we're back, and what we're going to do, we're going to test out all these to make sure they can reach the desired wattage. Okay, this right here, MFish, they have a very, very good display. I think it's kind of accurate. To me, it's accurate. So we're going to use that. Now I'm not going to say it's 100% accurate, but I think it's accurate enough for the test that we're going to do. Okay, we have the anchor. This is a 40 watt. We have the volt-me, which is 65 watt. We have the, I don't know what name, Tobre. We have 80 watts, a TOBRBE, and then we have the NU, which is 100 watt. All right, guys. Now, what I am going to say is please make sure if you get anything over 100 watts or even 80, 70, whatever, that you get a cord that can handle that wattage. So this is a 480 watt power cord. Okay, guys. Now, this is the thing. If you get anything that's cheaper, make sure it tells you how much wattage can be output. If you get a 100 watt power bank, but get something that's only rated for 40 watts, you're not going to be able to push out 100 watts. Okay. Matter of fact, you might burn your house down. Okay. So don't do that. So make sure you have at least a good 200, 100 watt cord so that you can make sure that, you're compatible with your charger. Okay. Your wall plugs. Okay. So we're just going to just do a generic from here. Just what's in here. As you can see, this comes on. We're going to see how much wattage does that get. I don't know why it's taking so long. Come on. Maybe it's not doing nothing. Because it's on. All right. Well, 7. So, oh no, sorry. 13 watts. It took a minute. So we can see just coming out of here, plugging it straight into this port right here is 14 watts. Okay, guys. So now let's go ahead and get with the anchor. Now I did buy this online. I don't think I did an unboxing with this. It says it's 40 watts. And I've really never tested it. I don't think I tested it once. So we're going to see if it gives it out. If the anchor is giving out 40 watts. Boom. Let's see what it does. Giving out 20 watts. Okay, guys, let's try it one more time. It says 20 watts. Let's do that again. Oh, man, here. And it's giving out 20 watts. So even this anchor got online, it says 40, not 40 watts. It's giving out 20 watts. Okay, so be careful with that. We're gonna put that over here. Now we have the volt-me, and we're gonna put this in. Let's see what that is. The volt-me is going up. All right. All right, 66 watts. So the volt-me is 66 watts. We're going to try that one more time. Let it clear. We're going to put it in there one more time to make sure, guys. All right, so let's see if it goes back up. Yep, 66 watts. Okay, guys, so that's true to form, the volt-me. That's how it looks. True to form. Good. So now we're going to go ahead with the TOBRBE. All right, $18 for this. So we're going to see if this truly lives up to 80 watts of power. So we're going to put this in. As you can see, it is on. The blue is on. The blue is on. Okay. I know you can come here to hear me say. One thing I do like about this, you can make it as short or as long as you want. So here we go. Let's see what it gives us. Okay. 20 watts. Now 80, supposed to be 80 watts now. It says 20. All right. We're going to do that one more time. This is the primary, which you'll use because you don't need cords. And that's one thing I did like about it, that if my wife forgot her cord, she could still charge up her device at work. And you're looking at 20 watts of power. Look at that, guys. Wow. Okay. Boop. Now let's go ahead and try the USB-C up top. Make sure the USB-C. They come with USB-C, USB-A. All right, guys. So let's do it here. Let's see what it gives out. This is 100 watt. Yep, 100 watts. Make sure it's on the right one. 20 watts, guys. All right, 20 watts. So now we're going to go ahead and unplug it, and we're going to put it in the USB-A. Boom. Let's see what that gives out. 14 watts of power. So that's not good at all, guys. So this is supposed to be 80 watts and not even giving out 80 watts at all. So yes, at $18, it's decent, but it's not giving out 80 watts. Not at all. So we're going to put this to the side. Then we're going to go ahead and see the big boy. You know, as you see, it has multiple. We're going to see if it can give us 100 watts. I'm only doing this to show you that you can't believe everything you see on the internet. Still going up. 82, 96, 100 watts. Guys, between 199 watts, 100 watts of power. So there you go. So as you can see, guys, this right here, not even close to giving you 80 watts. So let's get back to the regular view, and I'll give you my final thoughts and giving this puppy a grade. All right. Yo, I'm back to give the TOBRBE 80 watt GaN Charger a grade. My final thoughts and grade. Guys, don't buy it. Because the point to buying something like this is because it's 80 watt. Now, I'm going to say this. There's a lot of other things at this price that you get better. I'm going to let you know. But anything over 15 watts is going to super fast charge your phone. Anything between 5 and 12 watts is going to be considered slow charging. So this will fast charge your phone. All right, but for $18, you can get something better. And the selling point to this is 80 watts. Because you get batteries like the battery I showed you, M-Fish, where you can take up to 100 watts, and it dramatically decreases the time that it takes to charge up your devices. So it's not just for your phone, but if you have a battery charger, you have other things that you need to charge, it can charge it up pretty fast. Okay, guys? So I would say this is not 80 watt. This is only a 20 watt, and you're paying, original price at one time was $24.99. That's what this was going for maybe 3 months ago. Now it's at $18.99, but it's still carrying the 80 watts. This is not 80 watts, 20 watts. That's it. So I'm gonna give you a couple of other things that you can get. There's the Anchor iPhone charger 2-pack, 20 watts for $16.99. You have the INU mini USB charger, 30 watt GaN fast charging. Okay. Wall charger. You get 2 of them for $15.26. All right, guys, this should be going for like $9.99 to maybe $7 some odd cents for this. Okay, guys. So I will say, if you see something like this or look like this or look like this in the picture, do not get it. This is a no. It gets an E. Why? Because when you buy something like this, you're hoping that it's 80 watts, especially if you're looking to charge up more than just your phone. And if you're just looking for a phone charger to give you up to 20 watts of fast charging or above that, you can buy something for $10, $11. That would do better than this. All right, guys. Yo, guys, before you go, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna say that one time. Please like, share, and subscribe. I want to give thanks to my new and current and new subscribers still rocking with the channel. Don't get this, guy. This is an E from me. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech. Thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing journey. Hey, guys. Got some more unboxings coming soon. So, hey, hit the notification bell icon anywhere you find it, so you'll be notified every time we drop a brand new video. You have a good day. Peace.